fan, I always tell you, he's the closer of the Cavaliers. So now, 26 seconds are left. Cavs are down 1 because Kevin just hit that 3. And Kyrie at this moment is 0 for 6 from the three-point line. At this moment, he is 3 for 13 on shots outside the paint. But we have seen him, to this point, make 5 trick shots at the glass that are unlike. Like, I sat back about 3 times last night and said, I don't know if I've ever seen that before. That's how great they were, right?
Skip,
I don't even know how it went in. I don't know how he did it.
We're saying the same thing,
Okay.
Skip. I'm like, look at the English. How did he make that?
It's impossible. Okay, so he's done that 5 times. He's guarded by the best perimeter defender in the NBA, who is 6 feet 7 inches in Klay Thompson. Kyrie is 6 feet 3 inches tall. So the toughest shot is going to be the contested shot on the perimeter, right?
Yeah.
But what advantage do you have, Kyrie, over Klay Thompson? You're quicker than he is. You can do the Tony Parker special. Tony in his heyday could just outquick the big guys to the basket, and he would get it up before they even could get there and block it. So all of a sudden, Kyrie goes to his right, and I thought he had a step, even a half step. And he'd made so many shots at the basket, I'm saying just go, because the worst case is you're going to get to the free throw line.
Correct.
I need 2 points.
Yeah.
I don't need 3 points. I just need 2. What I don't need is a repeat of Christmas Day, because on Christmas Day, he drove Klay deep into the paint, and then he stepped back and shot the fall away that won the game from 13 feet. This is from, what, 25 feet?
25, 26
yeah,
feet.
25. He stepped back into a 3. You're 0 for 6. You don't have the feel, right?
Right.
You're Kyrie Irving, but this is not your night from the three-point line. And how badly did he miss the shot? He missed it so bad it barely ticked the iron off to the left short, right?
Correct.
It didn't even have a prayer of going in. And so I step back and say, what are you doing, Kyrie? You fell right into the LeBron trap, which leads me to the final play. 12.4 seconds are left. That's a ton of time in an NBA game, okay?
Yes.
You're inbounding the ball down 3. Kevin Love over on this sideline out of bounds, and they run a play that I couldn't figure out what the point of it was, but the action's going away from Kevin, but LeBron fakes like he decoys a pick, and then he just steps straight back into the corner 3.
Right.
Inbounds to LeBron. Now remember, 12.4 seconds left. Iguodala didn't take any of the bait. He is suffocating LeBron James at the three-point line. And the guy with the highest basketball IQ on the planet decides, I'm just going to force this 3 up. Now, again, a ton of time is left. 12 seconds are left. Why wouldn't you up fake, just pump fake, and get Iguodala to either fall into you or blow right, just fall right by you? He's sold out coming at you.
Yes.
And instead, he just easily blocks your shot and knocks it off you and out of bounds. Game basically over at that point. Okay, let's just do the calculation. And LeBron is so genius at this. Let's do the math. What if LeBron up fakes, takes 1 big dribble, maybe 2, and just dunks it? Because if he gets to the rim, they're not going to contest it because they're up 3, right? Won't they just give him the 2-point dunk?
Yeah.
Okay, 10 seconds are left. Make them go they got to make 2 free throws, right? I don't know. Is Steph capable of missing one of those free throws? Is KD capable? Sure they are. Well, I'm going to take that chance instead of getting my 3 blocked in my face.
And they had an opportunity to foul Draymond Green.
They did.
Before he passed the ball.
That's just horrendous. It's just horrendous.
They let 20 seconds run off the clock.
I don't know. By then, I think they were just so discombobulated by what had just happened that they were in shock.
Yes.
And they kind of just gave in and gave up to it.
Yes.
I guess it's over. I guess our guy couldn't pull it off tonight. Right?
It hurt. I mean, Kyrie was 16 of 22 from the field out inside of the three-point line. He was 0 for 7 on the 3. Okay. And that's what I don't get. And look, great players, he's a shooter, Skip. He believes that his next shot will go in. But the shot that he's taking is a step back, step to the side 3.
On the guy who's the best perimeter defender, who's 4 inches taller than you, who timed it perfectly. It was highly contested, hotly contested.
Yes.
So, to me, it left me so deflated. Go ahead.
But I thought earlier in the fourth quarter, KD fouls Kyrie on a 3-point shot. He hit him on his elbow, Skip.
It looked like he got away with that.
He got away with that. But you know what, Skip? I'm going to give the Warriors some credit.
Well, sure.
Because being in that position is one thing. Because how many times have we said it? The game was there for the taking. You just said the game was right there for the Cavaliers.
Silver platter.
Silver platter.
Yep.
But if it's on a silver platter, somebody has to go take it off that silver platter from you. And give them credit. KD was spectacular in the fourth quarter, 14 points. But I guess this answers your question. We know who team it is. We know who's going to take up. Because, Skip, he's the one guy. If you notice, when they were down 4 points, they called a play. Everybody went to one side. KD went one-on-one with Richard Jefferson, and he got a 10-foot jumper.
They switched, yeah.
And that's the thing.
You know what? That was a hard shot.
Yes.
That's a baseline mid-range with no backboard. That's a touch shot.
I'm watching him shoot, and he's 7 foot tall, but he has the ball so high, and when he releases it, Skip, you got no chance. It's almost like a Kareem sky hook. But the difference is Kareem got his shoulder into you, so you can't jump over his shoulder and block it because he's throwing it from here. He's shooting the ball so high, but that's what makes them so difficult, Skip. He's the one guy Steve Kerr can call a play for and say, KD, go get us a bucket. And he can go get you a bucket, Skip. He was spectacular in the fourth quarter.
Well, he was so spectacular that you got to make the case now that he's the best player on the planet.
I ain't making that case. I ain't making that case.
And you definitely have to close the case that LeBron James is better than Michael Jordan. That's over. That's done.
What if he come back and win this?
Good luck. Good luck.
So
I'm sorry, Cleveland. Good luck.
I want to get you on the record. If LeBron James comes back from 0-3 down.
No. I won't do it.
Why?
Because he's got too many stains on his legacy already.
Okay, he's down 0-3 and he was down 3-1. He comes back and win the championship. You're not willing to concede that.
I don't think Golden State is nearly as invincible as you do. That's why I picked Cleveland last night.
Skip, they're a good team. They're loaded. They got firepower.
Well, we got to leave it there. It was a thriller.